What up? In this video, I'm gonna be designing a pair of these streetwear shorts for my client. I really like these shorts, so let's get into it. What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my channel. This is less of a tutorial and more of a watch me design, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go kind of fast, but if y'all can keep up, you know what I'm saying, you can keep up. So I like that. So first thing we're gonna do, make a new document. So my client requested he wanted shorts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a mock-up of shorts first before I do anything, so I can design it the way I want it to, if that makes sense. Oh, and my client's inspiration with these pair of shorts right here on screen. So yeah, heavy inspiration from that for this design. So, and if you don't know how to make a vector mock-up, if I'm going too fast, I'm put this video on my iCard right here, and I'm gonna speed this up if I want to go, you know what I'm saying, look at the tutorial. So yeah. Alright, so I'm finished with the mock-up right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and try to recreate the typeface from the inspiration by using my client's brand identity. So I go in and I make, he doesn't really have a logo right now, so I just try to make icons that pertain to his brand identity. I'm trying to make it fit. I want the shorts to look like they're busy, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Here I'm just designing a type for the design. I want it to be a little not even unique. I want it to have some character to it, you know what I'm saying? So what I do is I kind of play around with the placement of the words, kind of make it look more rough than it actually is, and then yeah, you gonna see in a little bit. Alright, so here I just do some simple font pairing. I pair a real busy font with a more simple font. This is called Cool Vetica, if you was wondering. So yeah, I'm just trying to get that contrast in that kind of, in this element of the design. So like I said prior, I'm just trying to make simple things and icons that pertain to his brand identity, since he don't really have a logo. So I'm trying to get this kind of heart shape. Brand name, obviously y'all see the brand name. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm trying to incorporate a globe and a heart. Trying to make something that can just go on the short, just looks good, you feel me? But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. Going with the pen tool, kind of make a little crack in the heart, because obviously no love, so a little crack in the heart kind of makes sense. It's kind of overplayed now, but you know what I'm saying. Hopefully the client likes it, so that's all that matters. I go in and I try to make these continents, so I again use the pen tool and kind of trace it out. And I try to get good placement for it on the actual design icon thingy. So I go in and I make this little star right quick, and I kind of just put on the heart. I don't know, just to add some character to it. Then I go in and I expand the circle. I take away the black outline on the inside just to make it more cohesive. So then contacted the owner of the brand, and we decided on colors for this design. So we're gonna go with the green, like the kind of pine green, and the cream color. I feel like it's gonna fit on these shorts, like this two-tone type of color, which is again part of the inspiration. Did I notice on the inspirations type, it had this kind of shooting star thingy? So instead of a shooting star, it's gonna be a shooting heart. I didn't want to just directly copy what they had, and I really liked the typeface that they had, so I wanted to do that, but also put my own spin on it. So yeah. Then I go and I add the heart globe to the type, and then yeah, that's pretty much the type done. I just take away this the outline, and then that's it. Okay, so I lost a good bit of footage in between now and last clip you saw, but I made this heart design with the flames and the sort of graffiti font. I like that, so putting that on the shorts. Then, like I said prior, he doesn't have a logo, so I just did a 1 and a star. So yeah, and then here is Photoshop mock-up, the actual like photo mock-up, look realistic, but yeah. Sorry guys, I'm kind of frustrated about that, but it's all cool. It's the final product. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you want to see next, and we out.